Oh my God, you guys, hi. Oh my God, I missed you so much. Oh, wow. Hi, guys. I'm so glad to see you. I hope you're doing awesome. Uh, I've got move-in stories, but I'm going to save that for the moving vlog, which I anticipate you seeing on Friday. So definitely come back for that. In the meantime, let's do these nails. We're going to do some white nails right now, and we're going to go ahead and pop those in the lamp for 60 and do that 2 times. Now we are coming in with some base coat in a nice juicy layer, and we are going to add some drops of polish. We're going to do kind of a paint splattery effect. That's what it looks like to me. You let me know if you think it looks like something else. I think it's so cute and bright and awesome, and you could do any sort of color combination that you like. You don't have to do white nails either. You can just do whatever you like. Now, because we didn't cure that, it's not exactly going to be like a blooming gel, but it is going to allow you to just sort of manipulate the polish just from moving the nail around. And that's what we're doing right here. And then I'm going to come in with a small detail brush and just give some more of a painty, splattery, messy look. And it doesn't even, like, maybe you dropped a drink or something. I don't know. Maybe you spilled dinner. I don't know. But it's a sort of a splashy look. I'm also admiring my nails in this video because my nails do not look like that now. They look really horrific. And I'm going to be working on those this week. So you're going to be seeing that next week because I'm dying for some new nails. Okay, guys. We're going to repeat that 2 more times on those other 2 white nails. And while I do that, let me just tell you how much I missed you guys. Oh my goodness. It has just been killing me not to be able to talk to you guys the way that I talk to you 3 times a week, to not show you the nails that I do, and to not be doing nails the entire time that I've not been here with you guys. I've not been doing nails. So oh guys, I can't wait. I cannot wait to crack open all my stuff. And on Friday, when you come back to watch the moving vlog, because of course you're going to, I will let you know, fill you in on all the deets of the move. It is maybe my least favorite move of my whole life. It was really rough, and we will go into all of it. I mean, it wasn't like catastrophe rough. It was just rough on me physically and emotionally, and I'm tired still, and I have a lot to say. So you guys come back and we'll talk about it. There's different clips and stuff from the move, and I'm going to talk to you face to face a little bit, and we're going to have a little chat about it. So there you go. So now we're on that last nail. Let me tell you, I've not been uploading on my other channel either. If you're into horror movies, check me out over there. Occasionally I talk about something political, but only when it's enraging, okay? So I don't try to be political per se, but sometimes you can't ignore things because they're just so awful. So there's that. But I try to stick to mostly horror-y related stuff over there. I may end up, evolving that over time, but for right now, that's part of the reason, though, why I've not been uploading over there, because I've been kind of in a real weird place emotionally and mentally, and sometimes horror movies don't help me with that. So I've just been sort of shying away from it. But I started watching that show on Amazon called Them. Oh, my goodness. So I think I'm going to talk about that on that channel. So if you are interested, come over and give me a little click on the subscribe button. Do the same thing right here too. Don't forget that subscribe button. Now I'm painting the other 2 nails for this set, the green and the pink, and we're going to cure those, and we're going to do that twice. And while those are curing, I'm just going to add some silver sparkle to these, because I just thought, why not a little silver sparkle? Maybe when I spilled some paint or whatever it is, I had a little something else that trailed around. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know my life, apparently, or anything else for that matter. But I just thought it was a nice little accent that it went really nice with it. Going to cure that 60 seconds, and we're going to do that on all three of them. All of them, of course, getting a nice 60-second cure. Because that cream gel is very thick and very pigmented, so you definitely need to give it a full cure, or you're going to end up with a real mess, okay? As it'll end up not curing all the way through. It'll burst open and some liquid will come out. You'll be really bummed out. Your client will be bummed out. So you don't want to do that, or your friend or whoever you're doing your nails for. I don't know whose nails you do. I don't know. Now what we're going to do is come in after 2 coats on these 2 nails with a nice juicy base coat again, and we're going to hit it with a sugaring. And this, I like this glitter. It's called Crystal Diamond. It's just some stuff I got at Michael. But what I like about it is it's got a lot of different colors shining in there. It can look pinky in the way that it gleams, or green in the way that it gleams, blue a little bit. So you can really use it, and you can see it in the container. You can use it on a lot of different colors and get away with it because it's got such a cute way that it shines. And now we're just going to go ahead and hit it with some Burano top coat. I'm pretty sure Burano was the base coat we were using too, but these were done like a month ago, so not 100% positive on that. Everything I think I used will be listed in the comment section though, or in the description. Eeks. This is the finished set, you guys. I hope you like it as much as I do, and I hope you were happy to see me today as much as I was happy to see you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on Friday for that travel vlog. Bye-bye.